Hello to all school teachers and pupils. It's Lord Kitchener. I would like to let you know all about our award-winning World War I outreach program available for schools. Your presenter, Captain Sean, will visit you in full World War I uniform, where he will offer the children a fun-filled active learning experience. Our unique outreach program brings the story of World War I to life into the classroom. With the outreach program, children will be able to get creative with various activities. Each child has fun with our active learning games, including our popular World War I game and interactive battle maps. A fantastic experience for all children to further their knowledge on the history of World War I. Each child enjoys the interactive experience in which they too become involved by dressing up and reenacting different parts of the World War I story. Artifact handling gives each child the opportunity to hold some of the most iconic World War I artifacts available in the world. Storytelling of real stories from World War I veterans, which were told to the presenter during various meetings with veterans. Your outreach program needs you. Book this incredible immersive experience for your class today. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.